guys, so it's real quick, easy, simple recipe. Get some tomato soup, put it on warm it up. Next thing you do is you're gonna make grilled cheese sandwiches, and you gotta have Colby, Swiss, provolone, and mozzarella. Swiss, provolone, Colby, and mozzarella, and make you a grilled cheese sandwich with them. I'm telling y'all, it's gourmet good. All right, get you that and some tomato soup, and I'll take you over and show you what I'm talking about. That's all you need. It's a quick, easy, 10-minute meal for the whole family. Let me get out of her way. This is what they look like when they come out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. So good. The cheese is stretchy. It's so good. Colby, provolone, mozzarella, Swiss, grilled cheese sandwich, and tomato soup. Get you some. You won't regret it. Hope you guys enjoyed this small little short video. Have a good one. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Golly, dude.
Don't
So
forget
good.
to smash that like button. That notification bell. Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And
And
subscribe.
subscribe.